Welcome to our demonstration of the automatic cellophane wrapping machine. In the first step, we manually feed the boxes into the machine. The boxes are precisely cornered by a pushing plate. Now, the machine moves on to the film wrapping and cutting station. With precise cutting, the film is adjusted to fit the specific size of each box. The machine then performs dual-side folding, neatly tucking the excess film on the left and right sides of the box. Next, the machine applies pressure to seal the folded film, creating a tight and professional seal on both sides of the box. Moving forward, the machine employs heat shrinking to make the top and bottom film smooth and wrinkle-free. Finally, the front and back sides of the box undergo heat shrinking, further enhancing the smoothness and eliminating any wrinkles. Whatever your packaging needs are, you can rely on ZONESUN.